Why does clinical research matter in our world today? This question may seem simple on the surface, but it holds profound implications for the future of healthcare. As we delve into the world of clinical research, we uncover a complex and intricate field that is vital to advancing medical science and improving patient care. Clinical research is the backbone of all medical breakthroughs, from discovering new treatments and therapies to understanding the causes of diseases. So, what exactly is clinical research? In essence, it is a branch of healthcare science that determines the safety and effectiveness of medications, devices, diagnostic products, and treatment regimens intended for human use. These may be used for prevention, treatment, diagnosis, or for relieving symptoms of a disease. Clinical research involves several stages, each with its unique challenges and opportunities. The first stage often involves preclinical testing in the laboratory, where scientists study cells, animals, and animal models to predict how a new drug or treatment might work in humans. Next comes the clinical trials, which are conducted in 4 phases. The first phase tests an experimental treatment on a small group of people for the first time to evaluate its safety. The second phase expands the study to more people to see if the treatment is effective and to further evaluate its safety. The third phase involves testing the treatment in large groups of people to confirm its effectiveness, monitor side effects, compare it to commonly used treatments, and collect information that will allow the treatment to be used safely. Finally, in the fourth phase, after the treatment has been marketed, studies continue to gather information on the drug's effect in various populations and any side effects associated with long-term use. The scope of clinical research is vast and varied. It encompasses everything from early-stage laboratory research, to late-stage clinical trials, to post-marketing surveillance studies. It's a field that demands a diverse skill set, including a strong understanding of the scientific method, a keen eye for detail, and the ability to work well with a team. Clinical research also plays a critical role in informing public health policies. Findings from clinical research studies can shape strategies for disease prevention and control, inform guidelines for treatment, and help to ensure that healthcare resources are used effectively and efficiently. To wrap up, clinical research is the cornerstone of medical innovation and progress. It's a field that is crucial to our understanding of diseases and the development of effective treatments. It's a complex, multifaceted discipline that demands a broad range of skills and knowledge. In a world where health is paramount, the role of clinical research is fundamental. It paves the way for new treatments, improves patient care, and shapes public health policies. So, as we ponder on the question, why does clinical research matter? We find that the answer lies in its profound impact on the health and well-being of all of us.